Could this be a tornado?
I don't know. Ask your daddy.
爸爸会不会刮成一个龙卷风啊？
不会。
咦，我挺害怕了。
人家，你看过来，你看风多大，你看这个。快点，这个树。
这么大的风还怪出来了。
那你叫妈妈叫我来问问妈妈。
Mom, come here.
What's up, Justin?
The wind is howling outside. It's like a pack of wolves.
Can we go out and play?
I think no. What do you think?
No, look at the trees.
Yeah, it's okay. You can hold me like this. Yeah. Come on, Justin. You can't walk.
You will be blown away.
Oh, man. The trees are shaking hard like this. Are they gonna be blown down? Are they?
Maybe.
Could this be a tornado?
I don't know. Ask your daddy.
爸爸会不会刮成一个龙卷风啊？
不会。
咦，我挺害怕了。Mom, I have magic. I can stop the wind. 风停。
你得说太阳老君急令他才停。
Quickly, answer. Quickly. 别！爸爸现在还不停啊？
太阳老君今个星期天不上班。
It needs to take a break too.